In 1962, a few residents of Centralia, Pennsylvania harvested a fine crop of tomatoes. In December, the snow that winter all melted on the sidewalks. Why? Because a gigantic underground fire that is still burning 53 years later. First, some geology. Central Pennsylvania sits atop some of the largest coal deposits in the world, formed by millions of years of geological pressure. In the 1800s, miners began tunneling beneath the ground there to harvest it. By the mid-1900s, demand for coal dropped, and many of the Pennsylvania mines were abandoned. Back to 1962. No one quite knows how the Centralia fire started. The leading theory today is that burning trash near an old mine entrance accidentally ignited the coal beneath. Once it ignited, the fire began to spread. Coal burns when carbon inside it combines with oxygen. The tunnels provided oxygen from the surface. As more and more coal burned, the flames ate deeper and deeper into the surrounding terrain. And unlike wood in a forest fire, coal burned slowly and steadily, so the fires didn't burn themselves out quickly. So what exactly is fire? Well, fire is the visible effects from combustion. Combustion occurs when a fuel is heated to its ignition temperature. It has enough available energy to react with oxygen, creating fire. Once started, the fire will keep burning as long as there's enough heat, fuel, and oxygen to sustain it. Depending on the conditions, this is why coal mine fires might burn for centuries. Coal naturally contains its own fuel and oxygen and burns very slowly. Once started, the coals can burn until the carbon source is exhausted. Back to Centralia. Because the fires were limited to the tunnels at first, the 1,000 or so residents found the situation amusing. But other, more dangerous symptoms of the fire soon appeared. Sulfurous fumes and carbon monoxide began seeping out of the ground, nearly suffocating some of the residents in their homes. Even more scary, the fire weakened the ground and left it prone to sinkholes. In 1981, a 12-year-old was crossing a neighbor's yard when an 80-foot sinkhole nearly swallowed him. He was pulled out to safety by one of his cousins. Officials have attempted to put out the fire a few times over the years. One attempt involved dumping wet sand into holes drilled down from the surface to choke off the air supply. They also tried pumping air supply into the tunnels. In 1992, the state government condemned the city, the entire city. Today, just a dozen or so people live there. The Centralia fire isn't the only underground coal fire in the world. They're actually alarmingly common, especially in India and China, which still depend on coal to a high degree and often have lax regulations. Natural underground coal fires also exist. Around the world, there are a few thousand of them burning, compared to about 1,500 active volcanoes. The Centralia fire now reaches as deep as 300 feet and covers some 6 square miles. That's more than 7 Disneylands. It's advancing around 75 feet per year along 4 separate branches and could burn for another 250 years. All the residents of the town may be gone by then, but the coal that brought their ancestors to Pennsylvania in the first place will still be blazing. Did this video leave you with a burning desire for more chemistry? Then be sure to check out some of our other videos. If you have a suggestion for something you'd like to see us cover in the future, add a comment down below or hit us up on Facebook and Twitter. And while you're here, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, thanks for watching.